Hello guys, welcome back to the Professor. Do you know you can actually make money on TikTok by just following some amazing tricks which I'm going to show you. So if you really want to make some real cash, don't go anywhere.
Okay guys, the first thing you need to do in the process of making some real cash on TikTok is to only reach out to brands or organization you really love. Don't worry, I will explain this in detail. Okay, this only means while doing your TikTok videos you could actually include some kind of publication of a particular product or brand you like, telling people on your videos how good it is or what it has done for you. Hey, this doesn't mean you are going to get free cookies for that, but for sure when the brand owner recognize you, man, that's big money coming your way.
Okay guys, without hesitation, we move to the next tip on this video, but before that, feel free to replay this video for better understanding. So the second thing you need to do is, to make a press kit for your TikTok channel. This tip is pretty simple. All you have to do is to showcase some kind of publication of your achievements in your videos. I'm talking of likes and views. With this you can actually have the benefit of owning a fan club, because people will actually be interested in seeing you grow from one level to another, and also how you made it that far. Of course, owning a fan club definitely means people who like what you do, and so will not like missing any of your videos, and you know what that means. It means more likes and views, and most especially more money. But wait, I haven't told you something yet. Before thinking of making money on TikTok, you should make sure you have verified your monetization criteria. Thereafter you set to start making some real cash. Okay guys, I'll always save the best for last. This tip alone could boost your channel to a maximum level of 100%. All you have to do is to try creating a few non-sponsored ports. This actually means your videos should not be based on other people's challenges. You need to come up with your own challenge. Put it out there for people to follow. With this your channel will be trending. This means you could attract sponsors who will like to advertise their products in your channel due to the popularity your channel has. With this, you are not just getting rich, but famous too, and thereafter you start earning a living, and also could possess a career, and not just any career, a famous one, at that. Okay guys, so if you found this video very helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscription button down below, and also don't forget to click the notification bell close to the subscription button to always stay updated whenever there's a new video. You can always feel free to comment down the comment box below, and you are reminded to keep it friendly and polite. See you guys next time. Remember, the Professor knows it all.